If you're looking to roll over your 401k into an IRA, you're probably wondering about the process and the best way to ensure your retirement savings are in good hands. The good news is, rolling over your 401k into an IRA is a fairly straightforward process, but there are several key steps and considerations that can make all the difference in maximizing your retirement funds. First, let's talk about why you might want to roll over your 401k in the first place. Many people do this when they leave a job, want more control over their investments, or want access to a wider range of investment options that are not available in their 401k plan. While your 401k might have some good options, it typically lacks the flexibility of an IRA, especially if you want to diversify your investments beyond stocks and bonds. But here's the thing. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially with the uncertainty in the market today, then rolling over your 401k into an IRA might be the best option. And if you're an American retiree looking to make sure your nest egg is secure, you should know that thousands of Americans are choosing gold IRAs as a reliable way to protect their wealth. You can learn more about why gold IRAs are becoming the top choice for people like you by clicking the first link in the description for a free guide. Now, when it comes to the rollover process itself, the first step is deciding between a direct or indirect rollover. A direct rollover is when your 401k funds are transferred directly into your IRA account. This is the preferred method because it avoids any penalties or tax implications. An indirect rollover is where the funds are sent to you, and you're responsible for depositing them into your IRA within 60 days. If you don't, you could face hefty penalties and taxes. After you've chosen your rollover method, the next step is selecting the right IRA account for you. Traditional IRAs are the most common option, but there are also Roth IRAs, which can offer tax-free growth if you meet certain conditions. However, rolling over a 401k into a Roth IRA means you'll pay taxes on the amount you convert, which could be a substantial cost depending on the size of your 401k. If you don't want to deal with taxes right away, a traditional IRA might be a better choice. Here's where things can get tricky. You'll need to choose the right investment options within your IRA. Unlike your 401k, where the investment choices are typically limited to a few options chosen by your employer, an IRA gives you nearly unlimited freedom. But with that freedom comes responsibility. You'll need to decide how you want to invest, whether it's stocks, bonds, or even more alternative assets like real estate or precious metals. Speaking of precious metals, many retirees are choosing to invest in gold IRAs to protect their wealth from inflation and market volatility. If you're interested in this option, I highly recommend checking out the free guide in the description. It walks you through how a gold IRA can help you preserve and even grow your wealth, especially important for those with $100,000 plus in your IRA or 401k, or even more than $5 million in savings. As we talk about IRA investments, one thing to keep in mind is that you can roll over funds from your 401k to a self-directed IRA, which gives you even more control over your investments. This can be a smart move for those of you who want to be hands-on with your retirement savings. However, if you're looking for something more secure, a gold IRA could be an ideal solution, providing an extra layer of protection during times of economic instability. So, once you've selected your IRA provider and investments, the final step is to complete the rollover. Be sure to follow up with your 401k plan administrator to make sure everything is in order. You'll want to confirm the rollover is processed smoothly, and you'll also want to double check that you're avoiding any penalties or taxes. If you want to make sure your rollover is done correctly and set yourself up for long-term success, I recommend giving yourself a 2-week window to make this happen. This will give you enough time to make decisions and consult with a financial advisor if needed. And remember, if you're thinking about protecting your wealth with a gold IRA, you can get that free guide and see how this strategy is helping thousands of Americans keep their savings secure. Lastly, if you have $100,000 or more in your 401k or IRA, or even $5 million plus in savings, this strategy can make a big difference in securing your financial future. So take action now and consider rolling over your 401k into an IRA to ensure your savings are working for you. If you haven't already, click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and take the first step toward protecting your wealth.